Minneapolis Institute of Art has a secret room that was shipped across the ocean piece by piece. Most people know MIA for its free admission and 90,000 pieces of art. Van Gogh, Monet, the classics. But here's what they don't tell you about this place. The building itself is a time machine. Classic 1915 columns out front, that's just the beginning. But then architect Kenzo Tange added a sleek modernist wing in 1974. Completely different vibe. Then Michael Graves dropped a postmodernist section in 2006. 3 centuries, 1 museum, totally wild. But here's the real secret. Inside there's an entire 17th century Chinese reception hall, like the actual thing. They dismantled the Ming Dynasty room in China, shipped everything carved, paneled, and beamed to Minneapolis, and rebuilt it in the museum. Think of it like the ultimate architectural puzzle, except every piece is priceless. And if you mess up, you've destroyed 400 years of history. So next time you're at MIA, skip the gift shop and find that Chinese hall, because sometimes the best art isn't hanging on the walls, it is the walls.